How can I troubleshoot my TV if it won't change channels?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to learn how to troubleshoot your TV when it won't change channels. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry. We're going to walk through some simple steps that will help you diagnose and possibly fix the problem.
Check your remote control.
The first thing we need to do is make sure the issue isn't with the remote control. Start by replacing the batteries. Weak or dead batteries are often the cause of a remote control's failure to function. If that doesn't work, try cleaning the remote. Dust and debris can get into the buttons, preventing them from functioning properly. Finally, ensure the remote's infrared sensor isn't blocked or dirty. A clear path between the remote and the TV is essential.
Inspect the TV's settings and inputs.
If the remote seems to be working fine, let's move to the TV itself. Try manually changing the channels using the buttons on your TV, if available. This will help determine if the issue lies with the TV or the remote. Review your TV settings. Some televisions have parental controls or other settings that might prevent channels from changing. Verify that the correct input source is selected. If your TV is set to the wrong input, it may not change channels as expected.
Look at your cable or satellite box.
If your TV and remote seem to be in good shape, the problem might be with your cable or satellite box. Check to ensure all the connections and cables between your TV and the box are secure. Try to restart your cable or satellite box by unplugging it, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in.
Consider professional help.
If all these steps fail to solve your problem, it may be time to seek professional help. Contact your service provider's customer support. They may be able to help troubleshoot further or send a technician to your home if necessary. You may also consider getting your TV inspected by a professional, especially if it's an older model. We hope this video has helped you understand some steps to troubleshoot your TV when it won't change channels. Remember, sometimes these problems are easily fixable at home, but don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're unable to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.